In this video, I'm going to be talking about blood type from the perspective of a chemist. You're probably familiar with the concept of blood type. Everybody has a type of blood, type O, type A, type B, type AB. Your blood type is determined by carbohydrates or sugar molecules that are attached to the surface of your red blood cells. All types of blood, whether it's type O, type A, type B, or type AB, all types of blood have initially 4 identical sugar or carbohydrate molecules attached to the surface. They have what's being shown here in red. I'm representing that as fucose. This is spelled wrong right here. It's a fucose molecule. So they all have that, which is connected to a galactose molecule, and then in green, an N-acetyl-glucosamine. They all share that initial same 4 set of carbohydrates. Type O blood does not have any additional carbohydrates, so the structure on the surface of type O blood looks basically like this. Type A blood has a fifth type of carbohydrate attached, the N-acetyl-galactosamine molecule. So that makes type O and type A different from each other. The type B blood has a third galactose molecule attached, so it's different from type A, and it's also different from type O, which is missing that extra piece. And then blood type AB has the same type of strand as type A, and it also has the same type of strand as type B. So AB is like a combination of blood type A and B. The differences in the monosaccharides that are attached to the surface of our red blood cell create compatibility or incompatibility between the different blood types, which is a factor when somebody is donating or receiving blood. If you have type O blood, you can donate your blood to any other type, any person that has any other type of blood. This is because the pattern of carbohydrates on the surface of type O is also present in all other types of blood. So no matter what type of blood a person has, they recognize that pattern of carbohydrates on the surface of type O blood. Unfortunately, people with type O blood cannot receive any other blood type other than type O because all of the other blood types are different. So if we look, for example, at blood type A, it has this N-acetyl-galactosamine that is present, and that's not present in type O blood. So if we take type A blood and put it into a person with type O blood, the body recognizes it as being incorrect, and this launches an immune response. The same with type B. Even though type B only has that galactose molecule, it's just the presence of 3 galactose versus 2 galactose. Our body recognizes that that is something different. Type A blood can be donated to a person who also has type A. It could also be donated to a person that has blood type AB because of the similarity of those 2 strands. But type A blood cannot be donated to somebody who has type B or, as I already mentioned, type O. Type A blood can receive type O, but that is it. Oh, and I guess it could also receive more of the type A blood. Type B can donate to AB because they share that similarity, and other people that have type B could receive type B as well. A person with type B blood could only receive type O because that's the only thing that has similarity. Then last but not least, a person with type AB blood, they can donate to somebody else who also has type B. They cannot donate to somebody who has type A because the type A body does not recognize this particular strand. They cannot donate to somebody with type B because that body does not recognize this particular strand. Type AB blood can be donated to, can receive type B, type A, and also type O.